SAP Project Lifecycle. In this chapter, we will understand the different phases of a SAP project lifecycle. A SAP project lifecycle consists of various stages, starting from evaluation to the project's subsequent support. Stages of SAP project lifecycle. A typical SAP project undergoes the following stages in its lifecycle. Evaluation. Evaluation may be a decision to choose between different software vendors or selection of products from a single vendor. Project preparation. Since a SAP implementation intends to map the organization processes to the ones defined by SAP, the implementation needs to have on-board people with complete knowledge of the organization business processes. The project preparation phase, amongst other things, aims to identify this team. Business blueprint. A business blueprint includes what modules of a SAP product would be used and the mapping of the existing business processes to the processes provided by SAP. Realization. The actual work of customizing the SAP software to be in sync with the organization's business processes is done in this phase. It includes customization of existing SAP package and solution along with the development of new objects based on requirement. Testing. The changes made in the realization phase need to be tested in isolation as well as in a consolidated manner using real-time data. This is done in the testing phase. Final preparation. The production system is prepared using the changes from the realization and testing phases. Certain activities need to be done directly in the production system as well. These activities take place during the final preparation phase. Go live. In this stage, the final product is released to the end users. The go live may be done in a big bang, all modules at one go, or in a phase-by-phase manner. Sustain support. The project now moves into the sustain and support phase where the end users' issues would be resolved and ongoing maintenance of the system would be taken care of. SAP multiphase implementation. SAP career in SAP. Advancing your career in SAP, you can move into different roles such as SAP ABAP Application Developer, Design SAP Application, SAP Functional Consultant, in different modules, SAP Technical Architect, SAP Solution Architect, SAP Portal Consultant, SAP Portal Developer. You can look for the above opportunities in companies such as SAP Labs, Accenture, Tata Consultancy Services, Cognizant, IBM Global Business Services, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, L&T Infotech, Deloitte, KPMG.